TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman, host of the Tiger Technicians Hour, coming up straight after this TFNN update. The Dow is down 32 at 25,074. Friday slumped all the way to the 14-period exponential moving average, that black line there in the daily chart on the left, and then bounced right up to the 9-period moving average. And now it's trying to go above it, but it's right back at the support. My target of 24,860 was just missed. It went to 24,883, I think it was. Yep, on Friday. I still think that that's a target that we can have for this week. The other thing is that, see this doji, long-legged doji candle, although it's a very small candle altogether from the low that was made back on the 26th of December, if you're looking at this weekly chart, you'll see that there's a really good chance that even though the technicals are pretty good, that we could stall this week and make a peak A. But I call it gray peak A because it's sharply under the 26,951 all-time high. Let's go on. We'll go to the S&P, SPX. So there's the S&P right now, trading at 2709.40, up $1.52. Also made that peak D right there, 2738.98. 4 sessions ago, gap down, hasn't filled the gap, touched the 14-period moving average, and I think that there's a good chance that this week, if there's any hint of bad news, we could be testing the 2680 level, and that'll really be the crux of the matter, because then at that point the MACD could turn negative. Let's just quickly go to the QQQs and say the QQQs are holding quite nicely. Here again, it's the same story. All the daily indexes have very strong technicals at this point. They are beginning to weaken, but they're still holding well. It's going to be whether they make a new recovery high this week to extend last week's high. So let's go to gold. Gold was down about 10 before. Now it's down about 5 at 1313. Made that peak D in the Chapman wave at 1331. Taking a bit of a breather. If it closes under 1300, that's going to be a sign to say that it's going to go a little bit longer and a little bit deeper for this correction. And if you look at the dollar's holding extremely well. We remain along the dollar since April of last year, and I like the action of the dollar. It's at 97.03, up 40 cents. Really good action. I think international countries coming right in and buying the dollar. I'll be back in a few minutes for my Tiger Technicians Hour. Have a great day.